How to cancel Instacart order. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily cancel the Instacart orders. Now, there are some easy steps to cancel the Instacart order. You can cancel it using the website on instacart.com, or you can do so on the Instacart application. The process, however, itself is quite similar, as the interface on the application and the browser is similar. So once on Instacart.com or once on Instacart application, you're logged into your account, you're gonna tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can see at the top left corner. You'll find it on the application as well. Now, once you're at the left hand side, you can see at the bottom there stores, your orders, your list, your receipts, your account settings, and try Instacart Plus. You want to simply select the option that says your orders, tap on it, and you'll be headed to the page where your order pops up. In my case, I don't have any orders, but if you do have one, you want to tap on the particular order that you wish to cancel, and on the order detail page at the very bottom you'll find manage order, and you'll find the option to cancel it. So there you want to tap on cancel, give the reason, and you'll be able to cancel it. So this way you can cancel the Instacart order. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.